Hello, today we will guide you through how to manually add vendors in QuickBooks Online. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and sign into the correct company. Once you're on the main dashboard, move your mouse over the left-hand navigation to reveal the available sections. Look for the area that groups your apps and workflows, then head into the section for managing spending. From there, go to Expenses and Bills. This is where QuickBooks centralizes your supplier-related activity so you can track what you owe and who you pay. Inside Expenses and Bills, select Vendors. The Vendors page lists everyone you purchase from or pay. To add a new one, click New Vendor. This opens a detailed profile form. Taking a moment to enter clean, consistent information here will make your future bills, payments, and reports much easier to manage. Start in the Name and Contact section. Enter the vendor's display name exactly the way you want it to appear on transactions. If the vendor has a legal company name that differs from the display name, add that too. Include primary contact details such as an email for sending purchase orders or remittances, and a phone number in case you need to follow up on invoices. If there's a website or a secondary contact, add those as well. Double-check spelling and capitalization so searches and filters work smoothly later. Next, move to the Address section. Add the vendor's mailing address carefully, including suite or unit numbers. If the vendor uses a different shipping address, enter that as well to avoid delivery issues. Consistent, complete addresses help with accurate forms and reduce errors on printed documents. Then go to Additional Info. Here, fill in any details that support your workflow, such as an account number, the vendor assigned you, tax-related identifiers, usual payment terms, or notes you want your team to see when creating bills. The more context you add now, the fewer questions you'll have when approving expenses or reconciling accounts. When everything looks good, click Save. QuickBooks will create the vendor profile using the details you entered. If you spot anything that needs a quick tweak, make the edit and click Save again to confirm your final changes. You should now see the new vendor listed on the vendors page, ready to use on bills, expenses, and purchase orders. That's it. You've manually added a vendor in QuickBooks Online. Keep this process consistent for each new vendor, and your payables, reporting, and audit trail will stay clean and reliable. Thanks for following along.